What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and another day. So today we are going to be focusing on that rear area. So let me go show you what that is going to consist of.
So we're gonna cut this out, and I got some new 16 gauge steel, and I got some 1x2 square 16 gauge stock. We're gonna create some bracing, and we're gonna redo this perfect. We're gonna get this all lined up like factory. It is gonna be OEM rally. All right, guys. So the first thing is we gotta get these welds knocked off. So we're gonna grind the welds out. That's the first step. Safety gear when you're cutting, grinding, welding. Have long sleeves on. You know, this is some old gear of mine, and it's fire resistant, perfect for grinding and welding. I got no use for it anymore except for this, so it makes for a good welding grinding jacket. So you gotta take that in consideration. You know, hair, hat, you know, face. I got a welder helmet and safety goggles. So, you know, I'm not gonna have my welder helmet in here grinding, so I'm gonna get my safety goggles out. But also things you want to take consideration. That right there is a fuel tank. It has fuel. Fuel and fire are bad. So make sure you have a fire extinguisher around when you are doing stuff like this. I'm gonna go but we can fix this. It's all fixable. I'm gonna beat these pieces back, bend them back in, tack them back down, get it all, because this is some of your structural parts. We might even cut it out and put one of our 2x4 1x2s here to replace the strength, because that's where your subframe bolts. But we got all this room to fix now, and we are gonna fix it. We will get it fixed. It will look better than stock, because I'm gonna fix it, and we are gonna get it done. But that was a lot of work just to get a little piece out. But we're gonna do it right. We are gonna hook it up. So stay tuned, guys.
So, all right. So we're gonna be cleaning up this, guys. You know, don't hate whatever happened. You know, hey, sometimes people do things, but we're gonna fix this. And you know what? We're gonna make it look awesome. It's partially gutted for us, so that's good. So we're gonna clean all this up, and we're gonna get some of that down there, which is 1x2, and some 16 gauge plate steel. So we're gonna get that put in here, and we're gonna fab us up something that'll look amazing and freaking awesome. So we're gonna get started on that. So let's go. Hey guys, that cross member took a lot of time to cut out. You know, it was a pain in the butt. You know, it was just too mangled. We couldn't save it. Thankfully the frame rails didn't get damaged. Some of the sheet metal up here is damaged, but you know what? We can just make it a nice clean cut. But we're gonna get this taken care of. We're gonna get that cut out. We are gonna get some bracing. Looking at this now, I think I can just use my 2 pieces of bracing, because I do have 1x2 stock, and you know, if I put one piece, you know, up here where this original cross member was, and I put one piece further back here where I'm sitting, so you got like one piece, you know, here, and then you got one piece like here. I think if we get 2 pieces of 1x2 stock, weld them into the frame rails, I think that would be way plenty, you know, considering we are gonna be tying our roll cage into the chassis also and extending it back here. So I think, you know, the 1x2 will be just fine. Got to clean up, you know, some of the sheet metal. Got to clean up this over here. Got to clean up this guy over here. Where we're at, guys, is we're going to drop the subframe. We're going to put the car up on jacks in the rear, and we are going, well, actually we might put it up on all fours. Yeah, we're gonna put it basically on jacks, and then we're basically going to drop the rear subframe. All right, we're gonna get the rear subframe out of the way. Once we get the rear subframe out, that will give us all the room we need to cut, you know, re-weld and everything. Also, you know, we got to do it anyways because we got to replace it. Now, before I drop the rear subframe, because I did lose a lot of structural rigidity, I think I'm going to go ahead and tack that 1x2 in the back. I'm just going to go throw a couple tacks on each side, you know, that way it does provide some stiffness, because, you know, I am kind of worried, because the only thing that's keeping this part of the car back here is the subframe, and I'm afraid if I take that out, it might tweak the frame, and we don't want that. So I'm going to go ahead and at least tack in the rear, and once we get that done, then we will lift the car up, drop the subframe, get all the evap out, probably get the gas tank out, depending, at least get this filler neck out and get this evap out, get the rear subframe out, get all that out, and then we'll go from here. So basically what we're going to do now is we are going to tack in that 1x2 and then drop so far.